Vancouver Coastal Health has issued a warning about carbon monoxide poisoning as the province heads into the coldest months of the season. The BC Drug and Poison Information Centre receives about 350 carbon monoxide exposure referrals each year. It's during the colder winter months, when people spend more time indoors, that hospitals see an increase in carbon monoxide poisonings. Symptoms of carbon monoxide exposure include headache, blurred vision, nausea, shortness of breath, and/or confusion. Vancouver Coastal Health hospitals see an average of 31 emergency department visits during the winter due to carbon monoxide poisoning.